I'm super excited about this next one. I'm going to build a Bluetooth speaker. I ordered from Amazon this kind of 2-channel amplifier. It's with Bluetooth, it's with the aux input. It also has some normal volume, bass, treble adjustments. Power 2 times 100 watts. I'm sure that it's not RMS power, but I'm also sure that it's way enough to play these 4-inch two-way speakers. These are Axton ATX100, 60 watts, 4 ohms. Obviously, I'm going to use wood to build this box. I try to keep it as small as possible. Of course, we need some space for the speakers, that we can get at least some bass out of this. And this box, it's going to be on the stand. If it will work, I'm going to give it away to my friend who's moving to a new apartment soon. If it looks shit, if it sounds like shit, I just have to keep it by myself. Step 1. I have to cut some wood that I can start to make this shape of this box. Next, I will shape one of these pieces to this shape that I want. After this is perfectly shaped, I can copy this shape to the other pieces with my router. All these panels are now in this main shape. Am I going to use all these panels? Is this going to be this thick? I don't know yet. For the speakers it would be good if there's lots of space and volume in this box. There's going to be 4 different kind of panels. Front panel, and to this front panel I will drill holes for the speakers and this amplifier. This front panel I will attach to this box with magnets. Then there's going to be the second front panel, and to this one I will of course drill holes for the speakers and amplifier, and to this second front panel I will attach these speakers with screws. Then of course there's going to be the box part. The last one is the rear panel. Rear panel I want to have removable. This one I will attach with screws that I can take it away if needed. Am I going to make some kind of reflex tube to this box? This also I don't know yet. This I have to do only to this first one, then I can use this as a template for this other one. So that's my idea for this amplifier so far. It goes here, it has some space to breathe, so it's not totally sealed. Next I will do this second front panel. This is the panel where these speakers are coming. That's my idea for this one. It's flush here, so I will put here this front panel with magnets. I don't have to do much to this front panel. I only have to drill the hole for the speaker, and the size of this hole is as big as this rubber outside part. I picked up these speakers, of course, because of the price, and also because I like how it looks. I like that this tweeter is kind of here inside. It looks very simple, clean. I don't know about the sound, it looks nice. I will now start with these middle parts, and these will make the box and kind of the volume part for the speakers. I try to keep these walls as thick as possible, but also I want as much possible volume inside the box. I will measure 1.5 centimeters for the thickness of these walls. And again, first I will make only one, and then I can use this as a template for these other ones.